Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about the remedial teaching. In this video we are going to discuss introduction of remedial teaching in general, then in teaching field what is remedial teaching, then importance of remedial teaching, then strategies of remedial teaching. So let's discuss the first point of our content, that is introduction, and here we will see the remedial meaning in general. Remedial is concerned with the correction, removal or abatement of an evil defect or disease. Remedial treatment of an inmate to improve behavior of workers, compensation, claimant who received remedial attention from a doctor, a remedial statute correcting the previous law. So here in general, if we are curing, if we are removing some bad thing, or if we are removing some evil, that is called as a remedial in general. But in the teaching field, let's see what is remedial teaching. Remedial instruction aim to improve a skill or ability in each student using various techniques such as more practice or explanation, repeating the information and devoting more time to working on the skills. The teachers guide each student through the educational process. So here in the remedial teaching, if the child is weak in any skill or ability, like if they are weak in the reading, then the teacher can concentrate and the teacher can conduct the remedial class for them, and she can focusing on the improving of that particular reading skill of a child. If some child is weak in the speaking, then there the teacher can conduct the remedial class, and in that she can focuses on the speaking skill of that particular student. And here she is following some techniques of which is suitable for that particular skill. She will use that, and she can improve the ability of the child in that particular skill. Then next is importance of remedial teaching. The goal of remedial reading is to dramatically reduce the number of students who have extreme difficulty learning to read and write. Remedial reading is a highly effective short-term intervention of tutoring struggling readers in both an individualized and a small group setting. So here the importance of this remedial teaching, particularly I have taken here the problem of reading and writing. So for reading and writing, it's a very good way, or it's a very good method for a teacher to reduce the difficulty of a student in reading and writing. And it's a short-term intervention of tutoring, like in short term only the teacher can solve the problem, because in the class, but in the particular remedial class, she is focusing on that particular children, those who are having the difficulty in reading or writing. So here it's a short-term tutoring intervention, and as well as here the teacher can focus on the student fully. So the through the remedial teaching, we can remove any difficulty from the children, and they can be able to read and write, speak, whatever problem they are having, they can achieve that through the remedial teaching. The next is strategies in remedial teaching. So what kind of strategies the teacher have to follow? First is establish clear and concrete goals. So the teacher have to fix the goal, like that if the student is weak in writing, then she have to focus on the writing only of that to improve the writing ability of that particular child. Then create attainable goal. So she have to set the goal for a child, okay, they can achieve it. The teacher should not fix the difficult goal for the children. First she have to fix, or she have to make the easy task for the children. Then next little bit difficult, like that she have to step by step she have to follow the goals, or she have to set the goals. Then next, provide a variety of intensive incentives to create to the interest of the students, provide reward immediately. So here she have to create the interest of the students in the class, remedial class first of all. Then she have to give the reward immediately. If the child is doing good, then she have to give her reward immediately. She should not delay it. If she delay, then if she forgets, then the student will not having faith on the rewards, and for the rewards only the students are doing the and they want to achieve the goals that they cannot do. So immediately the teacher have to give them reward, and she can appreciate them also immediately. Then inviting parents and guardians to assist children in improving their work is a good idea. So the teacher can call the parents or the guardians to the school, and she can talk to them to assist the child in the home also, and she can give them the good ideas to improving the child work in that particular problem or the particular remedy. Also she can give to the parents, okay, what they have to do at home with the children, how to assist the children at home. That kind of ideas she can give it to the parents.